This quick tutorial is for my sixth formers, just to remind them how to use multiple tags using standard mesh. So as you can see, I've got my two dummies as we've already set up in the past. One of those is the cow, one of them is the bee. Okay, just as normal. Nothing special there. I've got my capture device, and I've got my two markers. So here's marker 1. Okay, enable initiate and enable tracking. And we've got marker 2, okay, which is the other one. Okay, and you can see that I've set them up to the different dummies. So marker 2 is set up to dummy AR, and marker 1 is set up to dummy AR2. So they've got different ones set up to each one. And then we've got the two hide instances. So we're hiding the cow, dummy AR2, hide and start, and we're hiding the bee, hide on start, dummy AR. So the bit that does the magic is the way we're using the links. So for the first marker going to the cow, I've got the normal found cow show, lost cow hide, but I've also added a separate one that links marker 1 to the bee as well. So when marker 1 is found, the bee, the other one, is hidden. Done exactly the same on the other side. So I've got marker 2 found, bee hide, marker 2 lost, show, sorry, and then hide. And then, as you can see, the extra link going from the marker 2, so when the bee is found, the cow is hidden. That means that if the two tags are quite close to each other on the page, it will flick between them rather than having both on the screen at the same time. Hope that helps. It should get you working. I'll see you in lesson.